Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. Protect your ride with a Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle. Owning a motorcycle comes with the thrill of the open road, but it also comes with the responsibility of protecting your investment from the elements. One product that aims to provide a solution to this challenge is the Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover. In this review, we'll take a closer look at its features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. The Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover boasts a combination of high-quality materials with a primary focus on PEVA, polyethylene vinyl acetate, and cotton. PEVA is known for its excellent waterproof and UV-resistant properties, making it an ideal choice for outdoor protection. The inclusion of cotton adds a soft touch to the inner lining, preventing any potential scratches or abrasions on your motorcycle's surface. The cover feels sturdy and durable, indicative of a well-constructed product designed to withstand various weather conditions. The seams are reinforced, and the overall craftsmanship suggests longevity, which is crucial for a product intended for outdoor use. One of the standout features of the Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover is its exceptional waterproofing. It effectively shields your motorcycle from rain, snow, and other precipitation, ensuring that your bike remains dry even in inclement weather. The UV-resistant properties of the cover are equally noteworthy, providing protection against the sun's harmful rays that can cause fading and deterioration of your motorcycle's paint and components. This motorcycle cover is available in various sizes to accommodate different bike models and styles. The elastic hem at the bottom ensures a snug fit, preventing the cover from flapping in the wind or shifting during storms. The thoughtful design includes built-in ventilation pockets to prevent condensation and mold, maintaining optimal conditions for your motorcycle's well-being. Putting the Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover on your bike is a hassle-free process. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the inclusion of a storage bag simplifies transportation when not in use. Additionally, the cover is machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. To assess the performance of the Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover, we tested it in different weather conditions. From heavy rain to scorching sun, the cover consistently delivered on its promises. The motorcycle remained dry and protected, showcasing the product's reliability in real-world scenarios. Considering the durability, waterproofing, and UV protection offered by the Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover, its price point represents a solid investment in the longevity of your motorcycle. The cost is justified by the quality materials and thoughtful design that contribute to the overall effectiveness of the cover. The Black PEVA Cotton Motorcycle cover stands out as a reliable and practical solution for motorcycle enthusiasts looking to safeguard their rides from the unpredictable outdoor elements. Its combination of high-quality materials, excellent waterproofing, and thoughtful design make it a valuable accessory for any motorcycle owner. Investing in this cover not only protects your bike but also ensures peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy the thrill of the open road for years to come.